Hey you guys, happy October 1st. We are finally in fall. It's starting to feel like fall and all the vibes are good. Good vibes. I just got home. I went to Marshall's and picked up a few things, and I also stopped and got donuts. Our city just now got a Duck Donuts, which if you've never heard of them, they do made to order custom donuts. They have like 50 flavors. They're so good. And so I got 3 cinnamon and Jack got 2 peanut butter and 1 Oreo. So that's gonna be our little snack for the next few days. But the big thing that I'm excited to show you guys, I have seen this all over TikTok and Instagram, and I saw it at Marshall's, and I'm so excited. So she's napping right now, and I was gonna take this opportunity to open it up so that when she wakes up, she can see it. I'm gonna sit you guys down right here. So I got the color Sunflower. There were only 2 in the store. One was sunflower and one was navy. I felt like this was the best color for a girl. And just if we have more kids, I feel like it's still neutral enough that if we have a boy next or whatever, it doesn't matter. So apparently it's kind of like a walker, which I don't know if you can see, but we do have a walker for her. But it's a little more like self-motivated and promotes balance in the way that the walker kind of inhibits a bit. They don't necessarily use all of their own initiative to move themselves in that. So I'm really excited for when she wakes up to try this out. I'm gonna go ahead and like put this together real quick and then I'll show you what it looks like. You guys, look at this little bike. It's so tiny. I don't think you can like truly see or understand how small this is, but it is tiny. Oh my God, and it's so cute. Look at it. She is going to die. All right, well, whenever she wakes up, you'll get to see the first look of this guy in use. I also have made a few of my cups for my upcoming market. I did this little mushroom guy with some daisies. It's pretty cute. And then I did a smiley face one and another mushroom one that's like outlined, more kind of minimalistic. And then I just ordered a bunch more cups too to kind of work on. So that's where I'm at. And then I do have another product I just added to my company, which is this really cute pullover crew neck that says homebody. This is the mock-up one, so I was taking photos. But yeah, so I'll leave my shop information down below if you want to check it out, just see what I sell, no pressure to buy. But that's kind of like what I'm up to recently. We also rearranged our living room a little bit, so we moved this to this wall a while ago, but we had her play stuff set up over here and her changing table set up over here. So we flip-flopped those, and then we also took everything off of this. We had some of her toys up here and we had that blanket bin up here as well, and she just kept kind of migrating this way and wanting to climb up on it to reach the stuff. And we've noticed that since we took everything off, she's not doing that anymore, which is really good. We are in the process of trying to figure out the best child proofing for these edges. Just since it's brick, if she like hit her head, it would be probably a lot more detrimental than if it wasn't brick. I don't know. But that also just like makes the space look more clean. And when you have kids, it's hard to have your house look clean. This is what this side of the house, or I guess our living room, always looks like. We never use our front door because we have a garage and a garage opener, so we're always coming in and out of the garage. So this space was just like vacant. We had the changing table right here and nothing else. And it's a pretty decent size. So we kind of decided, why don't we just use this area as her play area? And we are thinking about maybe getting one of those like big square play pens. That way if one of us is like cooking or, you know, taking the dogs on a walk or whatever, she won't, you know, kind of crawl over here and get into the glassware or anything like that. Still kind of a work in progress, but this is what we have right now. Don't love the idea of containment. I like her to be able to explore, but there are situations when like both of us are doing something and she has gotten into stuff. So we're working on it. All right, come on, babe. Spread your legs. Okay, ready?
What you doing?
Go to daddy. Come on. Let's go. Move it and groove it. Toots. She doesn't want to use her hands. You got it. Alright.
Maybe a fail.
We'll grow on it a bit. Guys, she's finally at the age where I can put her little hair in a little rubber band and I die. She's so cute, you guys. You can't tell me nothing about this baby. She is cute. Who's cute? Sorry, that was obnoxious, but I had to make her smile for you. We are unfortunately a Miss Rachel family, but it is what it is. That's where we are in the world. You can't make any comments on parenting until you're a parent. I firmly believe that. It's a lot harder than it looks. And I remember when I was pregnant, I was like, I'm gonna be the perfect mom until you're actually a mom. And then life just kind of happens day by day. You take it day by day, honestly. But I do have to go into the office today, which is why I look like a human. So I'm just wearing some mom jeans, this little green long sleeve shirt, and a claw clip. No makeup. This is literally the most you can get out of me these days. But Jack's mom is coming. She comes on Tuesdays to watch Viv because Tuesdays are the days that I go into the office. So when she gets here, I'm going to head out, but that's where we are. Huh. That is where we are for today. This video is gonna end up being like a combination of multiple days because I'm so bad at like consistency, honestly. Huh. I have started making all my own baby food, which I'm actually loving. So for lunch, she's eating butternut squash. This one is chunky, but I will take you over to my freezer. I have quite a few made. And then when she eats all those, we will go back to Sam's Club, get more fruits and veggies, and restart over again. Basically, I just steam them or like boil them in a pot, and then I puree them in our blender and then section them out. The little cups we have, 1 second. We have these little Melly cups, and I got these at Marshall's, and it came in a pack of 8, and I got 2 packs, and it's the perfect size for 1 meal. So I fill these up 3/4 of the way, and then that is her meal. Now that she is older, we are trying to kind of move into baby-led weaning a little bit. So for lunch, she will do a puree, and then for dinner, she kind of just has like baby bite sizes of whatever it is that we're eating for dinner. And that way she can kind of start getting used to using her hands and the textures of food. Right now she's kind of weird with texture, and I don't know if that's like a baby thing or what, but I want to try to get better at that. So we are kind of doing some baby-led weaning for dinner. Viv is asleep and I just got out of the shower. This is a relaxing parents' night. I am on the couch watching Everybody Loves Raymond. I'm a 60-year-old. But this is what I'm gonna do for the next hour. Then I'm gonna go upstairs and read until I get heavy-eyed and go to sleep. And that's on being an adult. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not already, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.